So, what do you do when your back is against the wall? What do you do when your absence has run dry? How do you face life if everything seems to be against you? And at the same time, how do you face your fears? And every time you think you've just made it, bang, life hits you again. And no matter what you do, no matter what you try, you just keep finding yourself at the same place. Again, it seems that your back is now against the wall. What do? You give up? You let go? Or do you push through? Resilience. When you have no more fight in you, you have nothing more to give, but you're still going, you're still moving. No matter what the odds is against you, you somehow find a way to just keep moving. You find a way just to keep going. You are resilient. You see, resilient is having perspective. Every setback and every disappointment you face will have no effect on you because you will find a way to bounce back. Resilient is power. Being resilient is progress. Every time I wanted to give up, every time I wanted to give in, every time I wanted to throw in the towel, I'm reminding myself why I'm doing this. I'm doing this so my family lacks nothing. I'm doing this so I'm in a position to help the needy. I'm doing this because I want the world to know that no matter what your circumstances is, no matter what your past is, no matter how difficult the situation, no matter how difficult the road looks ahead, you can do it. Resilience. Get perspective. Figure out what it is that makes you want to get out of bed every morning. That thing that drives you. That thing that gives you the energy to take on another day. Once you've found it, build upon it. Be the best version and be resilient towards it. I said this the last time. You are made for greatness. You are made to change the world. You are made for this. And the only thing that will keep you from reaching your goal is the reflection that you see in the mirror. The time is now, not later, not tomorrow, not next week. Now be the change. Pick up yourself and become resilient.